Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video. I'm continuing the series where I attempt to finish this 300 drawing prompts book that I've had for years. Today I'll be working on this view from the top prompt next to my first one. If you'd like to see my first video on this, I've linked it here in the cards. For today's prompt, a couple of different ideas came to mind initially, but I ultimately decided to draw the view from the top of a roller coaster. I thought this would be interesting to attempt since I can honestly say that I've never drawn anything like this before. I went ahead and sketched out a rough idea in pencil first. The next question I asked myself was, what media should I use? My gut instinct was to go with colored pencils, but I wanted to try something different. Although I have a huge variety of Crayola Super Tip markers, I often only use them for hand lettering. I wanted to challenge myself to use these markers for today's piece, since I can't recall the last time I actually used them for coloring. Before going in with the markers, I went ahead and outlined my sketch with my Sakura Pigma Micron in the 03 size. And then it was on to coloring. Now, if I'm being completely honest with you, I am absolutely terrified of roller coasters. I'm deathly afraid of heights, so I think I may have only been on one roller coaster in my life. And that was only because my sister pleaded me to. Needless to say, I did not enjoy it, but at least I was able to confirm my fear. However, I do enjoy watching point of view or POV videos of being on roller coasters. I can definitely understand why people get a thrill in that experience. Although I'm terrified of heights in person, I really love seeing images of things from really high up. When brainstorming ideas for this piece, I saw the traditional roller coaster in an amusement park, but I found some that almost appear to be in the middle of the forest, which is what I wanted to try and capture in this piece. Working with markers was an interesting experience. The colors are vibrant and saturated from the get-go, but I also knew it wouldn't be very easy to blend them together to create a seamless look. In order to make sure the piece didn't look too dark with the colors, I made sure to leave some blank spots to give the illusion of highlights. I went in with several different shades of green for color variation in the trees as well as the grass. I also wanted to include a little lake at the bottom of the drop to add some more visual interest. When deciding what color to make the tracks, I knew that I wanted it to stand out from the green since there was so much of it going on in the background. So I decided to refer to the trusty old color wheel and use green's complementary color, red. Immediately, this really helped to tie this piece together and bring the colors to life. For finishing touches, I added a few extra highlights using my white Uniball Signo gel pen. I dated this piece at the bottom, and this prompt is done. Overall, I'm pretty proud of this piece, and I'm glad that I went out of my comfort zone by using markers this time. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspires you to maybe attempt this prompt as well, or something similar. I'd like to know if you guys like roller coasters, and if you do, would you go on this one? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!